Okay everyone, got a quick video here. This is a idea my wife and I had. We have a toolbox coffee bar. So I'm a mechanic, she likes to be crafty and creative, so both of those kind of went hand in hand. So I'm just going to do a quick overview. She did a more in-depth view of it because she knows where she got this at and where she got that at. So if you want to check out her channel, I'll put that in the video description. And I'm doing just a little quick run over just to show you what we kind of did with it. So we just basically went ahead and moved over one of our K-cup makers. You got just the little fixings here, neat little candle. Got just containers, and then she loves her accent plants and shelves. This right here is a Google Nest thermostat. We're going to try to kind of paint match in a way to match this kind of coppery color and this kind of coppery color to like the other like silvery trims and stuff like that eventually. But so that's the kind of overview of the top. Also, she created that herself, which is pretty neat. You have to check that out and how she did it on her channel. But so for me, the only drawer I wanted was just this one right here, and that's just your basic grilling stuff. I got my little kebabs and all that good stuff, so we just walk right out the door that way and got it right there, so we don't have to like look for this or look for that. And these are a lot longer than just regular utensils, so we have a bigger drawer here. Other than that, it's pretty much your coffees. Well, this one is the tea drawer, sorry. So you got teas, and you got your hot cocoa and all that good stuff. Kind of running thin, mainly because we drink a lot of coffee, hence why we got a coffee bar here. And then again, it also acts as like extra storage, so we have like overflow. We got all of our Ziplocs and aluminum foil, and then bigger baking supplies and stuff. Again, working our way up this way, again, more baking supplies. The kids love the sprinkles and stuff, so again, more baking supplies, and perfect for their height. They'll come over, pick out sprinkles and whatnot. Yes, tons of baking supplies, but it works for her. She can come right over, grab what she needs, get what she wants to get done, and go from there. But the toolbox itself, it's a Yukon. It's a Harbor Freight line. It actually comes with the butcher top. It's a really nice finished top. I think we paid, it was like 300 and something, almost, it was almost 400. But if you're looking at an island at like Home Depot or whatever, and you're going to get one with wheels, one that's, you know, finished nicely and, you know, has tons of space, you're looking that much for just a regular wooden island. So for us, this kind of made more sense, and it's just kind of unique in a way. But that's the overview. If you want to make your wife happy, and especially if you or her are into car stuff or crafty stuff, you know, this may be something that you would want to do as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you enjoy your evening, and thanks for watching.